नमस्कार, मैं हूं रेशम और आप देख रहे हैं डीएनपी इंडिया। पहले तो वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल डीएनपी इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, देन व्हाट यू वेटिंग फॉर, प्लीज कर लें। और इस वीडियो को और हमारे चैनल की बाकी सारी वीडियोस लाइक ऑल द वीडियोस दैट यू लाइक एंड लव, उन्हें भी प्लीज शेयर करें। थैंक यू। सो आई एम बैक और मैं आपके साथ फिर से एक बहुत ही फायदेमंद और बेनिफिशियल हेल्थ टिप शेयर करने वाली हूँ। तो क्या आप तैयार हैं? लेट्स बिगिन। सो आज के सेगमेंट में हम ब्रेन फॉग, जी हाँ, ब्रेन फॉग की कंडीशन को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। जहाँ पहले तो लेट मी टेल यू दैट ब्रेन फॉग isn't a medical condition itself, but rather a symptom of other medical conditions. For example, COVID. So in some cases ये COVID का भी after effect हो सकता है, that's actually a type of cognitive dysfunction involving memory problems, lack of mental clarity, poor concentration and also the inability to focus. And some people also describe it as a mental fatigue. जी हाँ, so depending on the severity of brain fog, it can interfere with work or school as well. But it doesn't have to be a permanent fixture in your life. Yes, you heard it right. So there are numerous explanations for why brain fog actually occurs. So once you identify the underlying cause, you can actually begin fixing the problem accordingly. So here are the 6 possible causes to why brain fog actually occurs. So number 1 is an obvious one, which is stress. जी हाँ, so chronic stress can increase blood pressure, weaken the immune system and also trigger depression. It can also cause mental fatigue, and when your brain is exhausted, it becomes harder to think, reason as well as focus. Second is lack of sleep. Yes, where poor sleep quality can also interfere with how well your brain functions. So aim for 8 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and sleeping too little can also lead to poor concentration and cloudy thoughts. Third is hormonal changes, where hormonal changes can also trigger brain fog, and levels of the hormones and estrogen increase during pregnancy. So this change can affect memory and causes short-term cognitive impairment. Similarly, a drop in estrogen level during menopause can cause forgetfulness, poor concentration and cloudy thinking as well. Where the fourth one is diet. Yes, the diet can also play a vital role in brain fog, where vitamin B12 supports healthy brain function and vitamin B12 deficiency can bring about a brain fog disease. So if you have food allergies or sensitivities, brain fog may develop after eating certain foods. And for some people, excess of dairy as well as peanuts can also cause a problem. And hence, removing trigger foods from your diet may improve the symptoms. You never know. So the fifth one is medications. So if you notice brain fog while taking medication, talk with your doctor. Brain fog may be known as a side effect of the drug. You never know. And lowering your dosage or switching to another drug may improve your symptoms. Where brain fog can also occur after cancer treatment, and this is referred to as chemo brain. So the sixth one is medical conditions. जी हाँ, when medical conditions associated with inflammation, fatigue or changes in blood glucose level can also cause mental fatigue. For example, brain fog is a symptom of chronic fatigue syndrome, which involves persistent fatigue for longer than 6 months, where other conditions that may cause brain fog include anemia, depression, diabetes, migraines, Alzheimer's disease or even dehydration. So see your doctor if you have persistent lack of clarity that worsen or doesn't improve, where a single test can't really diagnose brain fog, but a brain fog may signal an underlying issue. So your doctor will conduct a physical examination and ask about your mental health, your diet, level of physical activity, current medications or even supplements. So you should let your doctor know about other symptoms that you might be facing at present. For example, someone with thyroid may have brain fog along with hair loss, dry skin, weight gain or even brittle nails. Where blood work can actually help your doctor identify the cause of brain fog, and a blood test can detect about the abnormal glucose level, poor liver, kidney and even thyroid function. Also about nutritional deficiencies, infections, inflammatory diseases, and based on the results, your doctor will determine whether to investigate further or not. So actually, brain fog treatment depends on the cause. Yes. For example, if you're anemic, iron supplements may increase your production of red blood cells and reduce your brain fog. So sometimes relieving brain fog is actually a matter of correcting a nutritional deficiency, switching medications, or even improving the quality of your sleep. So the home remedies that you should try to improve brain fog include: number 1, sleeping 8 to 9 hours per night. Number 2, managing stress by knowing your limitations and avoiding excessive alcohol as well as caffeine. Number 3, exercising for sure. Number 4, strengthening your brain power by actually solving brain puzzles or something similar to that. Number 5, finding enjoyable activities. And lastly, increasing your intake of protein, fruits, vegetables and healthy fats as well. So these were some of the causes, symptoms and also the cure of brain fog. So that was all for today's segment. If you like today's content and video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to DNP India. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. For more such health related tips, keep watching DNP India.